Bitcoin is still going higher here, and exactly as I predicted, we have closed a 4-hourly and even a daily candle above $16,900. And as I promised you guys, I have opened here a long position and have of course posted this first in my free Telegram channel for everybody that is in there. So if you're not in there, you should definitely go there, because I was posting this trade there first before opening it. And definitely check out the other trades that are also coming there. So, and now guys, before we go into the charts, make sure that you subscribe to the channel to never miss out on these important updates. Like this video and hit the notification bell. And now let's dive into the charts. So first of all, we're gonna start here with our cup and handle pattern on the 4-hourly chart. So as you can see here, we have broken the handle, and as I promised you guys, I was waiting for the price to break $16,900 to before I open here a long position, and that was exactly what I did, even though we went already to $17,040 yesterday. So we saw here a nice breakout to the upside. Let's have a look how the volume was looking. Also nice volume was coming in here. Now of course the volume is declining a little bit, but that is for the time being okay. After such a move, that's quite normal to see some consolidation here again before we see another leg to the upside. So, but the most important takeaway here is that we have broken out of our handle of this cup and handle pattern. And remember, the target of this cup and handle pattern is all the way up here at $17,200 approximately. There is our technical target. Yeah, so and if Bitcoin trends to continue what it did here in the past, then we could definitely see here another leg to the upside. So we have also here a smaller falling wedge or a bull flag, that depends how you want to see that. So that could initiate the next upwards leg here for the Bitcoin price. So here this head and shoulders pattern is for now invalidated, because we are above this key resistance area that I also talked yesterday about, from 16,900 to 16,750. So we are above that level right now and start to form a support. So if we can continue this over the weekend to stay above that level and actually start to move here away back into $17,100 into that region, then that is definitely invalidated, and I'm gonna delete this from my chart here. So it was a potential scenario that could have played out here, but it hasn't. So and this is solidifying and cementing it here right now, if we can keep to stay around these price levels. So then let us go here to this chart from yesterday. So here we did not come back down to our 0.618 and also not to the 1.618. So instead we started to sit here on the support line at $16,900. So now of course it's support, because we had here already 2 retests and also here 3 breaking attempts before we break before we were breaking above that. And here now we see definitely a new resistance around $17,000, which was also here the prior high. And here we can see that the prior high could not be broken, because we had here a nice wick to the upside. It came straight back down. So but as I had shown you already here on the 4-hourly chart, we have potential here, potentially here falling wedge. So here it's actually more accurate right now because we have more candles. So and if that falling wedge would break out, so which it should today, so we will see today if we can break out of it or not. So technical target is here again the top of 16,000, yeah, almost $17,000. Let's say it's $17,000. And also the stochastic RSI is pointing here to the upside with a buy signal on it. So we should definitely see here some fireworks on the 1-hourly chart for Bitcoin in the next coming hours here ahead. So let's see, what do I have here? No, So then also here we can clearly see that Bitcoin is moving away from our former support level. So and here on this 4-hourly chart, I believe that at some point we will come up to test here our resistance at $18,100, $18,600 in that area. The Bitcoin price will move up there to touch that. When we are having a look at the VPVR, okay, VPR is unfortunately not loading, guys. So, but I know that some key resistance areas are still around here. $17,200. There is a key resistance area, and all the way up to, I think, here to like $17,400. Yeah, so that is a key resistance area on the VPVR. But once we're breaking through this, there is basically nothing in between $17,400 to $18,000. So we could see a rapid move to the upside here once we are breaking $17,400 and can stay afloat above that specific level. So guys, don't forget, if you want to take these trades that I give you here absolutely for free, do these trades on BYBIT. Take them on BYBIT. BYBIT is one of the safest exchanges out there. They have also proof of reserves. I really like to work with BYBIT, and they have right now still $30,000 in free bonuses if you deposit a little bit of money there, with the link below in the description or in the pinned comment below. Only with this link you will be able to claim your $30,000 in bonus, or on Bitget $20,000 in bonuses, also only with the link in the description or at the pinned comment below. Guys, that's it already for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure that you smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.